Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a six-figure partner program review. This is a brand new program out. And if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business, you're going to want to listen to this video until the end. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the six-figure partner program review. What exactly is a six-figure partner program? It is a 6-week mentoring program teaching you how to build a six-figure business from scratch by copying and pasting exactly what a 7-figure income earner is doing on a daily basis. I'm talking about like everything that he's doing, you can use his content. So the creator is Joshua Elder, and Josh is my mentor. He's been full-time for over 5 years now. He's generated multiple 7 figures. He has mastered free YouTube marketing and has built a loyal following of over 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 2 million views on his channel. So Josh really knows his stuff. He knows how to teach it as well, and that's even more important than knowing something is being able to teach it to other people and letting them have success. So why was the six-figure partner program created? Basically, because Josh has had some success stories in the past, of course, but not as many as he would have liked. So he wanted people to have something that was a little bit easier, got results quicker, and they could literally copy and paste everything that he's doing. And that's what this program is. I'm going to show you the back office here in just a minute. But basically, you're going to be able to use all of his content and like it's your own. My experience with Josh's programs has been nothing but good as far as me being able to make money. And I started online like 10 years ago. And if you haven't heard my story, I had to take like years off from internet marketing because of some severe family health issues. And I came back online last summer, and I wanted to hire a coach so that I could have success finally. And so I found Josh and I hired him. I got into his inner circle program, and that worked out very well for me. Of course, I didn't have success like right away, but I stuck with it. And after a few months, I started having sales and generating leads, and I trusted the process. Like he said, I did exactly what he said to do. I earned over $43,000 with affiliate marketing in a year. And right now I earn close to $500. Actually, it's over $500 a month residual income through Google AdSense. That's where people click on your ads and your videos. And I've created almost 7,000 subscribers. And I had a YouTube channel like way back when, 10 years ago, and I didn't know what I was doing with it. I had about 2,000 subscribers. So he showed me how to actually monetize YouTube and how to do it the right way. And I was one of the people that stuck with the program because I have an incredible work ethic, and I trust him, and I know what he does works. Not a lot of people did stick with it, but I was one of the few people that did stick with it. And of course, he has a lot of other student success stories in the past. But I think that the reason why this program is going to have more success stories than any other program that he's had is because it's truly copy and paste. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. And you're learning how to set up a six-figure income business from scratch with proven strategies that are working right now for Josh. He's not holding anything back. This is exactly what he does in his business, and we're able to use his content. And you're going to learn how to build a YouTube channel for long-term success. And video marketing is where it's at. I mean, that's what people watch is videos. And so when you can get in front of those people, you're going to be able to build a really good business. And this is something that just was put in place yesterday, is there's a sales team in place to close sales for you if you choose to use them. And you're not going to have to pay them every month to do that for you. It'll just come out of your commissions. But that's truly powerful for people who really are not good at talking to people or just don't want to deal with the sales part of it. So let me show you what's in the back office. We're into week 3 right now. So this just came out 3 weeks ago. The first module, you are going to learn exactly how to set up your business. And this is where I think a lot of people get stuck. as far as the technical parts of it. And I'll tell you that I'm not very technical at all, but I stuck with this when I started last summer with the inner circle, and I already had a lot of this set up. But if you don't know how to set up anything, you're perfectly fine. If you can follow simple instructions, you'll be able to do this. So Josh shows you how to set up the funnel, but it's a share code. So we use Clickfunnels or we use Kartra. I already had Clickfunnels, but it's just a share code, click of a button, and you have this autoresponder or your lead capture page already set up in Clickfunnels. And you're going to be able to collect leads from the very beginning. He's going to show you how to put your affiliate links, connect them to Clickfunnels, and how to use an autoresponder with that, how to set that up. He has all the autoresponder messages in there. And then, like I said, he uses Kartra, but you can use GetResponse, you can use Aweber, and just copy and paste them into whatever email service that you use. This is super powerful. If you've never used Chatbot, this is Facebook Messenger. So someone can come from your YouTube video and they click a link and it takes them right over to Facebook Messenger. And he has the sales script and everything that you can just copy and paste. And it works so well. I've had such great success with this, and I've never ever used Chatbot before because I thought, oh, well, that seems so complicated, but it's not at all. Then again, you can import this closing script if you choose to have someone go through that method rather than going just straight to book a call with one of the closers. Importing your automation, that's going to be where you hook everything up with the email swipes. So once someone opts in, they'll go not only to your Facebook Messenger to chat with them, but they'll also go onto your email list, and he's going to have email swipes that we use he actually just added that last week, for broadcast messages in addition to the autoresponder series, and then connecting your ManyChat to your ClickFunnels. The second week, this is where you really get going on generating traffic. So you got to get everything set up first. You're going to set up your own YouTube channel. Okay, so he's going to tell you exactly how to do that. Part 1 and part 2 here. What kind of gigs he uses to do his banners. How to create a name for your channel. And then when I talk about copy and paste, you are going to be able to use his exact videos that he uses, he's going to have he does have a, let's see, where is it? I think it's on week 3. Spreadsheet is the word I'm trying to think of, a spreadsheet. So he has all of his videos in there that you don't have to add an intro to it if you are afraid to get on camera at the beginning, but I would recommend that you do that. But you can create an intro to his video and then introduce him, and then his video is going to be on your channel doing all the selling and telling, and that way you're going to be able to generate leads and use his proven methods, and his videos provide a lot of value, so you don't have to worry about like what kind of content am I going to put on my channel. He's going to give 1 to 3 videos a week that you can use and pass off as your own. Again, I said, you don't have to put an intro in it. You can just use his video as it is and just upload it to your channel. He's going to teach you, oops, this is the second module here, how to put in the title, the tags, everything, so they're not going to be like duplicate videos, but they'll be able to rank. And I saw a gentleman who just got started. He had 1 subscriber on his channel. I mean, he just set it up, but he already had like 31 views on one of his videos. So this works, and you guys, you don't have to worry about it working because it does work. So he's going to show you how to do a PowerPoint if you feel comfortable doing that. That's what I like to do. How to edit the video that he gives you, how to upload it and optimize it on your channel, and then the plugins that he uses in order to find keywords, or not keywords, but tags for your video, and how to rank the video, and how to create a thumbnail. You can do this for completely free, and he shows you how to do that. because you want to have a really powerful thumbnail so people see, are interested in clicking on your video. And so if we go into week 3, you're gonna learn how to finalize your YouTube channel. He even said that you could use his images if you want. And then he's going to teach you how to create broadcast emails. And I'll tell you, when I've been on his email list for like over a year, I will look at his email broadcast and I'm like, gosh, I wish I could be that good. But he's going to let you use that exact format that he uses and his emails. So this is super powerful because they really do convert. He has a really great style of marketing. I really like it. It's not like super like hyped up. He's just like, he just gets results. So I like his style. We have a reciprocation Slack group where you will put your videos in there. Other people in the program will watch, like, and comment on your videos just to help everybody get ranked. And then you're going to have your daily method of operation that you do, your email broadcast, and we do have a Facebook group that you stay plugged into so you can get all the latest. Like yesterday, like I said, they just came out with the sales team that you can use. And this, to me, backlinking is worth a lot of money because he gives you the exact gigs and programs that he uses to rank his videos to get backlinks. So that is, he's telling you everything that he's doing. And then daily method of operation. And if you choose to, there is even a done for you video service. Of course, that's going to cost you money. But if you just don't want to do any of it, you can outsource all of that. So then, like I said, in addition to all of this, let me show you my Clickfunnels here. This is what your opt-in page is going to look like here. Now you can either connect this to your ManyChat, so people will go to your Facebook Messenger and also, of course, onto your autoresponder series, or you can hook this up to have a sales team close your sales for you. And that is super powerful because you can just get this pretty much automated. Not to say that you're not going to have to do any work, but you can get all these videos going, get them ranking, and get leads, and then you can have it go to a sales team to close for you. And that, like I said, you don't pay for that. And there are other programs that I've been in, you've had to pay for any sales team. This will just come out of your commissions, so it doesn't cost you anything more than the cost of the program. And of course, it will cost you to have the Clickfunnels and your autoresponder, and then I recommend ClickMagick so you can track where your sales are coming from. So there are some business expenses, obviously, but the closers, the sales team is not coming out of your pocket after the initial cost of the program. So who is this not for? This is not for people who are looking to make a quick buck. Not to say that you can't make sales, fairly quickly, but it is a long-term strategy, and it's not for people who are looking to not do any work at all, because obviously you have to learn a few things, but you're learning how to build a six-figure income, the long-term strategy, because this can work for anything. It's a proven method. So who is this for? It is for people who are looking to build a long-term sustainable business, not people who are just looking to make a quick buck and jump from program to program to program. This is like a proven method that you can sell anything. It's for people who are not making money that they would like to make with network marketing or affiliate marketing. Like, you're having some success, but you're not having the kind of success that you want. It's also for people who are looking for a mentor. This is the next best thing to being mentored, like one-on-one, is just exactly what to do each week. For people who want to learn methods that actually work to sell high ticket offers and earn up to $2,500 commissions. And it's also for people who believe in investing in high quality education. I paid over $30,000 to get my master's in physical therapy, and right now In physical therapy, because of the Medicare changes, that's not even, there's therapists actually getting laid off. There's therapists who have had their benefits taken away and demoted to PRN status or just got laid off. You know, there's no security pretty much in any job right now. And the cost of this program compared to what I paid to go to school, and I've been doing that for 29 years, and that job security isn't always there. This to me is like much better, you know, quality education. Like you'll be able to write your own ticket and you don't have to listen to a boss or worry about your job. And so it's also for people who want to replace their income, because if you get into a high ticket program, that's so much easier than making the, you know, $50, $100 commissions. This is going to be able to help you to replace your income. So if this sounds like something that is a good fit for you, how do you get started? You're going to click on the first link in the description below this video, and that will either take you to a link to chat with me on Facebook Messenger or to book a call to see if we are a good fit together. So it has to be a good fit for you, and you know, for you to fit with us and us to fit with you, it has to be a two-way street. So if this is a good fit for you, I look forward to seeing you in the program. And I hope you guys found some value in this 6-figure partner program review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you want to get started, click on the first link in the description below the video. That being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.